It's raining, but I don't need an umbrella. Standing in your rain is where I wanna be.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. If you are new here, then I just want to welcome you. Stick around and click that subscribe button down below if you are not already. Today, as you can tell by the title, we're going to dig in even lower with the price ranges, doing a full face of products that are £6 or less. Now, I've had a look at the products that I have in my collection, and these are pretty much the cheapest products that I have in my collection. So hopefully the look turns out great. So yeah, let's just get right into it. So we have this bad boy right here, which is the e.l.f. what are these called? They're the e.l.f. mini eyeshadow palette. I don't know what the specific name of this is, but we've got this one which is called Hot Jalapeno. Absolutely stunning. As you can see, it's all green. I actually got two of these. I think they have probably about six different colors, so you can choose which shade you want to go with. I chose to go with this and another one. So this is for the pink lovers. If you can't afford an eyeshadow palette for Valentine's Day, baby girl, this is for you. And ask me how much these are, please. £3. 3 livres. 13. £3. Can you imagine? Really excited to see what kind of quality we're gonna get out of these eyeshadow palettes. So let's see. Obviously I have to prime my eyelids before I do that. If you don't have an eyeshadow primer, or if you don't want to get one, you can obviously go ahead and use your concealer that you have. I'm gonna use my Revolution eyeshadow base. This is in the shade medium, and this one is £5, so still fits in to £6 or less. £5. Okay, so eyes are prepped. I also do set this with a translucent powder just because I don't want it to be tacky when I'm going in with my shadows. So we are gonna go right in with this mini eyeshadow palette from e.l.f. I actually think they are super cute. Imagine if the pigment is popping, how much even more will that be? Like unreal, absolutely insane. Anyways, I'm gonna start off with this dark shade first. I think I'm probably gonna just do a halo eye today. Oh guys, let's see how it blends. Let's just see. I don't want to get too excited and then, you know, it completely fails us. So let's just see. But so far £3, baby. So far we are looking pretty sweet. And then doing the same for my inner tear ducts. Just want to keep building up this color. I'm gonna go in with that lighter green shade next to basically blend out above my crease. Oh, even this has a nice pigment as well. Wow. Okay, e.l.f. giving us some nice affordable eyeshadow products. Like, this is real good. This is really good. Haven't actually used e.l.f. like that in a while, to be fair. So yeah, I didn't know what to expect when I picked up these eyeshadow palettes. Bringing that further down in my inner tear ducts as well. And I'm going to go back in with that dark shade because obviously we did blend, so it did remove some of that product. So this is the first piece that we have for the halo. I'm going to get a flat synthetic brush and I'm going to go in with this yellow olive sort of shade. It's like a yellow with a green undertone. Ooh, baby. Okay, let's keep going. And because I have hooded eyes, I do bring it up just above my crease like so. So when I am looking at you guys with my eyes open, it's not hidden basically. I'm just gonna take that brush that we used earlier with the dark green. I'm not gonna add any extra product, and I'm literally just gonna rebuild on the, or shall I say blend on the edges of that shade that we just placed there, just so that it looks like a smooth transition. So this is what we have for the eyes. Very quick and easy. I've used 3 shades. I don't know if I'm going to do an inner tear duct shade. I'm just going to wait and see until I put my eyeshadow on. I'm going to wait until I put my base on, but I have left this area kind of empty just in case, because I am feeling to go with an inner tear duct shade. But if I don't want to, then I'll just put the lighter green there. I'm going to do my other eye off camera just to save some time, and then I will be right back. Alrighty, we are done with the eyes. Wow, £3. Anyways, we're gonna keep moving on to the face. Obviously going into primer now. I've got this primer which is from Catrice Cosmetics. This is their Hydro Primer. This is what the primer looks like, and this one is £5. But again, every single thing that I'm using is less than £6. Can we create a full face of makeup look nice using products for less than £6? I think we might just be able to do that. My skin looks good, feels good, using a £5 primer. Ooh, I'm excited to move on. So we're gonna get right into foundation now. The one that I was able to find in my collection that was less than £6 is the Ordinary foundation. This is the coverage foundation, but I would actually prefer to use the serum one, except I don't have that yet. But I do have a serum foundation by the Ordinary in 3.2R. In the meantime, we need to color correct all of this hyperpigmentation, so I'm going to use my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Rich Chocolate. This bad boy is £5. As you can see, the undertone works perfectly well to cancel out this hyperpigmentation that we've got going on here, and just go in with a brush. I like to use a brush over a sponge just to make sure that product really sinks and blends in. Sorted. All right, let's test out this foundation combination. I may have put too much, but let's see. Okay, I think this is pretty good actually. Yeah, blend and see what we get. Okay, may need to add a little bit more of the yellow one because it's looking a little bit deeper than what I would like. Looks like this may actually appear to be a full coverage look in the end. Ooh, but obviously you can sheer it out to your liking. Absolutely stunning. Just look at my skin. Look at my skin. What are you telling me? Come on. Come on, mate. £5.70 to £5.95 foundation. And this is what we got. So moving on to bronzer now. Actually, I want to bronze my skin a little bit. I'm going to use my Revolution Conceal and Infinite Concealer. This bad boy right here in the shade C15, so right on the money, £5 or £6, and this is super full coverage, so really don't need a lot of this. I actually even went in with more foundation than I needed, but I didn't want to waste any of the product that was on the back of my hand, so I just had to make it work. It's snowing outside and it just looks so satisfying to see snow fall whilst I'm doing my makeup. Is it snowing where you guys are? It's snowing here and it's actually quite a lot, settling quite a lot. But anyway, we move on. This concealer is really good. I mean, it is a full coverage concealer clearly, but I do like to use it mainly for bronzing. I'm not a really big fan of using it under my eyes, but for me, I just find that it works best in this area, which is for bronzing, and it's literally perfect for me, so no complaints there. We need to bring some highlighter back in and brighten up our face a little, so I'm going to go in with the Sheglam concealer. This is in the shade Honeycomb, and I believe this retails for £3.95, like £4 basically, and I really like the shade of this concealer as well. I like to blend my highlighter into my bronzer just to merge everything together. This Sheglam concealer really surprised me, I can't even lie. Moving on to brighten my under eyes a little bit more, I am going to use the Ordinary concealer in the shade 3.0Y. I find that using it with a brush is better as well because it does give me a little bit more control. So before we set our under eyes, I do have a blusher that I want to go in with, and this is going to be a little bit different because we are using a cream blush today. This is the e.l.f. Putty blusher. This is in the shade Bahamas, I believe it is, which looks like this. Oh wow, it's literally like a balmy texture. Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay, this looks, first of all, it looks absolutely stunning. Just look at the shade. You can obviously go ahead and blend it out with your finger, but oh, that even looks nice just blended out with my finger because it is like a balmy consistency. It looks really nice. Oh girl, I'm gonna put a little bit more because I have a feeling when I do set my face and everything, it may just get a little bit sheerer and sheerer. But how gorgeous is this blusher? Literally insane. e.l.f., you did your thing, and there's so much in here, it's gonna last you so long. So I'm really hoping that I actually put enough because I'm not going to be able to go back in and add more once I set all of this. But anyways, for our setting powder, we've got this rice powder. This is a rice setting powder from Technic. I've never actually tried it before, so I have no clue of what it's going to be like. It's got like a really nice undertone to it. Let's give it a try anyway. Oh, okay then. I really like the shade of this setting powder. It is obviously a little bit deeper than my usual ones. It looked yellow to begin with, but it's sort of got like a beige undertone. It reminds me a little bit of the Fenty cashew powder, except that one is like a little bit lighter. Okay, so we've literally set everything. Wow, this powder took away any shine that we had. It doesn't feel drying, I must say that. It doesn't feel drying. It's done. I think if you have oily skin, you will love this powder, because look at the way it set everything, and my skin is smooth, like smooth. It looks flawless. So moving on to bronzer, we've got the I Heart Revolution bronzer. This is in the shade Macchiato, nice and pigmented. I do have other bronzers for £6, but I just think you guys will probably like this one a little bit better. So, oh, I hope it doesn't ruin my blusher as well though. Yeah, I'm gonna do my lower lash line the same way that I pretty much did my tops. Okay, so lower lashes done real quick. Added a little bit of the shimmery green on my lower lash line as well, just a little bit. Okay, highlighter next. I probably should have done this before I set my face, but I believe the last time I used this, I used it over powder, so I'm going to use it today. It is this bad boy. It's been a minute since I've used this, but this right here is the ultimate elixir. Oh girl, this is gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. You can use this underneath your foundation or on top, and it just gives you that juicy wet look. Just look, please just look. Oh girl. Okay, I do want to add more blusher, because right now this highlighter is kind of just taking over, so I'm going to add more of this cream blush by Elf. I don't know what it's going to be like, because obviously I've already powdered my face. Hopefully it doesn't ruin my makeup, but let's see. Anyways, moving on to lips now. So I've got my lip liner. This is the LA Girl lip liner from LA Girl. It's in the shade brown. It's actually an eyeliner, but I use it as a lip liner. So let's go in with this. It is like a warm tone brown lip liner. Okay, so next we've got this lipstick. This is my first time trying it. It's the Lip Couture lipstick by Technic. What shade is this in? It doesn't really specify. I'll have to check. Oh, it's in cream caramel, and yeah, I mean, it looks pretty good, so let's give it a try. I don't know what it looks like, but hopefully it goes well with this look. Oh my days, little bit pinker than what I would have wanted. Okay, so it's clearly not the shade that I wanted for this look, but it is a nice lipstick. So I might actually have to nude it out a little bit with a lip gloss. I really like the formula of the lipstick. It feels really nice on my lips. I'm gonna nude it out. I'm gonna use this Sheer Muse lip gloss by Revolution. Absolutely stunning, nice caramel sort of nude. Oh girl, oh girl. This is what I'm talking about. Oh my gosh, this lip gloss is insane. This lip gloss by Revolution, Sheer Muse, baby girl, you just helped this whole look come together. And I did actually deepen up the liner a little bit. I used the Revolution Glory lip liner, which is like a neutral dark brown. So obviously I haven't set my face with any spray. I feel like I don't even need to, because this highlighter makes me feel like I've already done that. We don't need to set our face, so I'm just gonna wrap it up here. This is the look that we've come up with today. What do you guys think? We created this whole beat right here with a full face of products for less than £6, £6 or less. I mean, can we just, I don't even know what to say. £3, baby, £3. And look at it, look at it. Just look at it. I mean, I don't know what to tell you. If you don't have it already, and you've been wanting to try out eyeshadow but you've been afraid and you haven't wanted to spend too much money, this is a great way to start. £3 for a good quality eyeshadow palette. You can choose whatever theme you want to. They have coloured ones for all of those that love a bit of a neutral eye. Maybe you want to keep it like gold, warm crease, gold lid. They've got you covered, baby. They've got you covered. I really don't have anything else to add to this video. I absolutely love the way my makeup came out. My skin looks absolutely smooth. This rice powder, I'm pleasantly surprised. I really like it. Let me know your thoughts down below. What do you guys think? Did you even think it was possible for us to do a full face of flawless makeup for £6 or less? Did you think it was possible? Some might have thought it wasn't, I don't know, but let me know your thoughts down below, because I would love to know. This eye look might not be for everyone, but I love it. It's a bit of me. If you ain't into Valentine's, you can envy it out and just rock this green eyeshadow look. But anyways, don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope to catch you all in my next one. Bye.